Devi sostituire.
Yep. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I do believe this was everybody upstairs. Am I correct? All right. All right, guys, we'll go ahead and get started. Welcome to Lurey Caverns. My name is James. I will be your tour guide today. Now, Lurey Caverns was discovered on August 13, 1878 by Andrew Campbell, his nephew William Campbell, and Benton Cavens. Andrew was the smallest and bravest of all three of those men, so he was the very first one to enter right where that cross is, right up there. He then proceeded to make his way down this slope, where the first thing he could make out was this column right here that he did name. Oh, I'm going to pause real quick, guys. Got a few more coming down. I'm going to pick up where I left off, don't worry. Y'all told me this was everybody.
We were lying.
Whoa, that took a turn. I was saying that's y'all's fault. That was my fault, you know. They usually signal me when I'm supposed to wait, but they did not. But it's alright, you guys. I'll just pick up where I left off.